What's up, guys? It is at Violaticorn here. I am playing Little Kitty Big City. This time, I do not know anything about this game. I just found it and decided to play it. So, let's just get right into it. Uh-oh. Oh no. Am I gonna try to find my owner again? Because I think I was... Hope the controls are... And where am I? Normal. Oh, yeah, the point of this game is just to get back home. Alright. Oh, can't go in water. Not even that small little puddle, kitty. Alright, can't do that. Cat hates just a little bit of water. And the dog, that looks really friendly. Can't go over there. Okay. I do not know what to do. But yet, I think I kind of have to. I don't really know what else I'm supposed to do. Ah, there we go. Jumped onto something. There's a sticking... It was. Nope, okay. Oh, wait, in here. I think I'm gonna... Oh, wait, pick up? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna casually pick up a hammer. I've got a hammer. Oh, yeah, I don't think... I'm gonna just casually walk into this person's house. Oh yeah, let me just take their shoe. Alright, this person isn't gonna have a shoe anymore. Uh-oh. Alright, this person lost their shoe. Alright, I think I'm gonna drop this into the water. Oh, they're so helpful, game. Yay. Get out of my way. I'm more important. Get out of my way. Oh, hold the jump? Okay. Gotta be careful. Oh my god, cat. Let's see if that'll work. Oh my god, finally. I did it. Move out of the way. Well, if it isn't the flying kitty, I'm not flying. Are you talking to me? Well, I don't see any of their small cats casually swatting innocent crows in midair. That was you, I'm so sorry. It was an accident, you see. An accident? That sounds like you need more flying practice. I wasn't flying. But I can't actually fly. And you never will with that attitude. Come on, just flap your wings and follow me. I don't have wings. What? Dude. I don't have wings. Are you kidding me? I hate this crow. Get out of the way. Oh, get out of the way. Hi, person. Let's go. You have to get some red in here. I'm gonna become an artist. I'm an artist. Good? Because it's just paw prints. Yay, I became an artist. I'm an artist. I'm an artist. Alright, thank you. Now I have paw prints. Although I don't know where to go. Okay, can you open your gate, please? Oh, there's a hole there. Oh, that was a bad jump. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can crawl through. Yay, I crawled through. Let's go. Oh hey. Oh my god, there's more water. Of course there's more water. I think I need to enter this person's garden in order to do this. Yeah, there we go. Get out of the way, bot. I said. There we go. Yeah. Smash 10 items. I love this game. Alright, Ah. Oh my god. Is it starting to rain? No, that's just water droplets. No, I'm supposed to go in there. Although there is a little thing that I could. Ooh, ducky. Let's go, I did it. I don't need the ducky anymore. Oh, there you are. You ran. Ow! No! Quiet over there. Honestly, those dogs think they own the street. So, there you are. What took you so long? Did you forget to flap your wings? I don't have wings. What? Then how were you flying? I wasn't. I was falling. I fell off my window spot, and now I'm all the way down here. But if you can't fly, how are you gonna get back up there? I don't know. Uh-oh. You're in quite the pickle, aren't you? Let me have a think. I've got it. How about that inferio flying that you wingless creatures do? With that huffing and the puffing and the claws. You mean climbing? That's what I said. I'm not sure I have the energy for climbing. I was already hungry when I fell. So if a friendly neighborhood crow happened to have a lovely juicy fish, really? Then this brings us to familiar crow territory. Supply and demand. I can supply one yummy fish full of energy, and I will demand 25 shinies. What's a shiny? You must know what shinies are. They're the gleaming doodads you find hidden everywhere, in bushes, on ledges, sometimes under traffic cones. And they're valuable? Valuable? They're priceless. Should I hang on to them? Shouldn't I get 25 fish for 25 shinies then? Good, fine. Did I say priceless? I meant worthless. Dangerous even. To everyone except crows. In fact, they shouldn't be lying around the cities like this. They could hurt somebody. So if you collect 25 shinies, I'll be able to dispose of them very responsibly. We will be heroes. And then I get a fish? Sure. I'm on it. Alright, are you gonna go get the fish now? No? Okay. Oh, cool. Oh, I have to hold it down. Actually, I can't close. Hi, dog. Doing great, kid. Streets feel safer already. You only need 25 more shinies. So if you're struggling to find shinies, try looking in places humans can't reach. Thank you for the tip, Crow. Alright, so what's a place people can't reach? Dog, shut. I feel like I need to get past that dog. Alright, let's see. a shiny. Oh my god, I just scratched the car. I've got a shiny. Oh, there's another one right up there. I've got another shiny. I don't know where I'm storing these, but it doesn't matter. Whoa. Whoa. I got a hat. Hehe. Is there anything in here? Ah! Oh, so that's how you do it. Okay. Got it. There's another cat friend. You look so cute. Excuse me. Meow? Hi, I was wondering if you could help me. I'm the mirror. If the mirror can't help you, no one can. Thank goodness I found you. You see, your warship, I need to get home, and I need shinies, and there are all these trash cans. And, wow, one thing at a time, friend. This sounds like a lot of work. Cats are not built for work. Cats are built for mischief and snoring, or we are soft, sleepy. Sometimes there's whimsy. Sometimes there's a pushing. Sometimes there's pushing things onto the floor. I do that. Yes, but wow, the enthusiasm is tiring. The mirror cannot help anyone when sleepy. I didn't mean to. Wow, you must help the mirror achieve nap time. It is the only right and proper. Your first responsibility as deputy mirror will be the hid jars of jam. Remove these eyesores from the mirror's vision. But it's just jam. Wow, it is a symbol. A symbol that a human. Just 1 second. Oh. That a human no longer fears a cat. They leave their glass jars on the shelves and expected them to stay there. It cannot continue. I guess it makes sense. But when you say remove them, swipe, push, crash. The breaking of the jars will be a lullaby for your poor mirror. And then you'll help me? The mirror cannot hear you over the noise of symbolic jam. Okay then. Time to knock down the jams in front of the eyesore of jam. Goodness, I can't even jump on these. Oh my goodness. There we go. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. People are gonna get so mad at me. Alright, there's one. Nothing happened. No, 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 no! I'm not following that. I hope you know that. You got me into trouble. Okay, I have to figure this out. Alright. Now that I'm up here, I need to find out a way. Has this person forgotten about it? Or will she still kick me out? That's what I need to know. I need to know if she's gonna be mad at me still, or does she still care? She does not. So I just need to wait a couple minutes before I get down or something. The mirror is telling me, what are you looking at, dogs? Oh no, you're looking at cats. Okay, I'm sorry. But I have to do this. Sorry. I'm out. Will you pick me up? Will you? I can't tell. No. Okay. Where is... There's... Yeah, I just have to wait a bit before I actually... Oh, good. Let me get out. Let me get out. Alright, I'm out. Perfect. The mayor can now slumber. Before you do, Your Grace, you said you could... Now, yes, the mayor will dispense valuable assistance. Thank you. For helping me, I will teach you the official way to respond to jam jars. Wait, what? Or anything else that is terrible. Blah. Yuck. This is my yuck face. Yuck. You may now express disgust at any moment by holding F. This wasn't quite... Now, the mayor has no need of your gratitude, little Debbie. Oh, sorry, yes, thank you, or not thank you. And now the mayor must rest, so sleepy, so unable to hear further requests for help. But, gosh darn it. Hi, dog. You're walking through water, no problem. How dare you? Oh no, there's something in front of it. Here, shiny, somewhere. Oh. I can nap. Oh my god, yay. Alright, I'm done. Oh, great. Whee! Oh, hi, chameleon. Hi. Hello? Are you talking to me? Of course. You can see me? Yeah. Astonishing. I never met anyone who could see through my superior camouflage. I really need to move this thing. Does this mean my powers are fading? Indeed. In fact, you can see me. In fact, if you can see me, you may be able to see a magician's hat that I wear. It lets other magicians know I'm patrolling the area. So they can see you too? Absolutely not. I'm invisible to all. That's why I am surprised to be noticed by you. For example, I'm so good at disguising. See that? No, you didn't, because my words are camouflaged. Huh, that is pretty cool. Thank you. Took years to perfect. But if you're a master of camouflage, how can I come to see you? Oh, quite. Perhaps it's to do with your eyes being so weird. Eyes are weird. Uh-oh, has something happened to my eyes? Have you seen them? I don't think I can. You'll just have to tell me. Well, for a start, they're on the front of your face. That's weird. It is? And they don't seem to stick out at all. They're right inside your head, taking up valuable brain room. Maybe I use my eyes for thinking? Can you at least move them in different directions at the same time? I don't think so. Should I be worried, do you think? I can't say. I'm a magician, not a vet. However, if you're weird, third, inferior eyes can truly immune to a vanishing act. Then I have finally met a worthy opponent. Wait, what? I must learn to outsmart your weird eyes. I would don your disguises, practice new tricks, engage in the noble art of self-improvement. I don't want to change on my account. Oh, sweet kitty, so weird, so small, so wrong. No, to restore my reputation, and as the world's most concealed creature, I must change. It is the only way to defeat your weird eyes. When you say you want to defeat my eyes, I challenge you to find me again, cat. Here? No, I shall leave this place while I adjust my technique, and then I shall reappear somewhere else. Obviously, I will be almost impossible to detect, so I will leave you with a clue to my general location. Ahem. There is a place where hard hats shine, where concrete pours and diggers whine. I'll be camouflaged nearby, invisible to your weird eye. You mean eyes? Have you ever heard of a poetic license? Well, I have one, and I'm not afraid to use it. Anyway, good luck finding me. So that's my job now? Not to find shinies? Okay then. Oh, look, a bird's nest. Ooh, look, a shiny. How many do I have? 5? Great. Concrete pours. That has to be like a building place somewhere. Oh, I see it, I see it. Whee! Ah. Stuff. Alright. Oh, here's a shiny. Don't jump into the water. Alright. I don't think... Oh, look, over there. Ha! Oh. Oh, there's so many shinies in there. How dare. Ooh, a shiny. 15 more. Darn it. Oh, that's a shiny in there. I found a key. Oh, hi. Hi. Yes, there is. Is there a bird somewhere? No, there isn't. What are you? Ooh! 3 shinies. Hi, kitty. You have a fresh face. Have you come to see the birds? I've never seen them so close before. Now without glass in the way. Ah, an indoor cat. That explains it. Can I ever get closer to them? Yes, you can. In fact, you can even hold them. The trick is to control sneak up near to them without spooking them. Then you pounce to take them by surprise. All of the best pouncing does, little one. But they're quite cautious. Certainly, be cautious enough to avoid a little cat. That said, I suppose there's always the bread position. The bread position? The bread position. It works as I follow. Obtain bread. Use bread as bait for birds. Pounce. Okay, I got it. Bread plus birds equal catching. But, do you have any bread I can borrow? Alice, no. Bread comes from humans, not cats. It's in their pockets, in their briefcase, even clutched in their hands. Does that make it theirs? Temporarily, but it can be yours if you master the art of getting underfoot. The art of just cueing. Swipe at their feet when they walk, then they trip. The bread will fall. Thank you for the advice. Alright, I'm gonna catch a bird. I'm just gonna kind of wait here though. Ah, darn it. Oh, I was too early. There's one, I see one, I see one. Got one! There's a shiny. That's what I don't follow the rules. Nearly got it. Just a little more. Yes. How to get out of here? What are you? Uh-oh. Everything okay in there? Until a moment ago, yes. It was easy to get in, so I assumed it would be exactly as easy to get out. Would you like some help? Let me try one more thing. I'm ready to be helped now, please. If I can push from in here, can you pull me? How? Oh. Pull by the tail, I'm guessing? There we go. What are you? Thank you! You're welcome. What were you doing in there? I was looking for feathers for my new invention, and I saw something glinting in the pipe. I assumed it must be the famous inverted collector's edition Geku. Geku. Commemorative medallion. And well, I went. I was manifested. Oh, darn it. Did it work? Well, no. But imagine if it had. Why did you want the important collecting gecko thing? Those medallions are... Oh my god, okay. Those medallions are the ones with the weird air that makes geckos look like a weird sea monster exposed to nuclear radiation instead of a big gecko exposed to nuclear radiation. They're worth a fortune, but it turned out to be a normal shiny, and then I got stuck. You want it? Please. Here. Thank you. Did you say you were an inventor? I did. I love to solve problems. Some animals even say I make new problems just so I can solve them. How rude. Rude? No, it's a compliment. Like when they say, oh dear, this will take some getting used to. Or, Tanuki, you really shouldn't have. Or, I didn't know a raccoon could disrupt this much space-time. Actually, that last one was pretty rude. I'm very clearly a tanuki, not a raccoon. What's a raccoon? It's like a little bear fox with a long stripy tail. Apparently, some people think they look like tanuki, but I can't see it myself. What are you working on now? Ah, it's all very exciting. In fact, that's why I need the... Wait, do you smell feathers? You have feathers somewhere. Where? You have feathers somewhere about your person. I know it. Although goodness knows where you're keeping them. These? I knew it. I need 3 feathers. Do you have 3? Not yet. Rats. Okay, well, let me know when you do, and I can show you how I'm using them to distort space-time. Okay then. 3 feathers and I only have 1. Got it. And I... Yes, Yes, I got you. Yes, alright. Oh, okay. I guess I'll deal with this. Hey, are you alerted to cats or something? Alright. Well, I've got 3 because I know that I got 1 and then I just got 2 more. I'm gonna give it to this guy. Oh, how exciting! Gimme, gimme, gimme! Oops, I forgot my manners. Please, gimme. Thank you, thank you, thank you! Now, do you want to see a cool invention? And that distorts space-time? Behold the magic of engineering. Whoa, what the? Neat portal, huh? Guess where it goes? The sewers? Not anymore. That flashy swirly glow isn't just sewer vapors. It's magic. And that means it's now part of the pet work. Do you mean network? I do not. It is a network, but it's for you, a pet. Where does it go? Well, this is proof of concept, so it actually only goes over there. Good enough. But that still bypasses is the fence. So you should not hold back your admiration. Hop in. Sure. I literally hop in. I can't. Let's go. You know if it works. How does that do this? I don't know that animal actually. Wait, what? Ta-da! I said ta-da! Is that my cue? Wait, where are you? Well, it's completely dark and it's well exciting. Does that sound like a place? Completely dark. Uh oh, let me consult my feedback. Question mark. Okay, here we go. Question 1. Is test subjects in possession of own eyeball? Hey, we're doing my question in the air first. Are you a yes or a no to eyeballs? I don't know. Troubling. Question 2 is test subject in possession of necessary limbs. Seems like the test subject is becoming uncooperative. Why don't you try moving around and we can see if the answer's the question. I'm in the trash can. Where am I? Oh, you landed in the trash? Why didn't you say so earlier? The trash? That's why the smell was familiar. This is very exciting. It means the pet work works. I just need to fine tune your rifle system a little. Let me know when you've done that, and I'll hop in and come back. Come back? Come back, you know? The return journey? The return what? The bit where I come back to that first portal, Tanuki? Fascinating, yes, I can see how that would be useful. Especially with how you're now on the other side of the unclimbable fence and everything. Tell you what, I'll get to work on that return journey and you go explore. How long do you think it will take? I find that there are fewer resignations when I do not to commit to deadlines. I'll be in touch when the improvements are ready for a test of a lab assistant. Bye! So, I'm stuck in here? Wait, can't I? Okay. Wait, what am I supposed to find in here? Oh, look, a shiny. You know how you said I couldn't get out before? I can very clearly get out. Wait, so this was like a test thing? Was there, Hmm? Oh my god. Water, please. I got 19. Just need a couple more. Alright. Please. Alright, and I'm here. So now I have to find that gecko. Not gecko, like chameleon. No! Wait, how the heck am I supposed to get back over there? Guess what? I'm stuck again. Heh. So, I have to find a different way how to get up there. Because of course, I fell off. I'm gonna climb the pipe. This will probably work, right? It probably will. Oh my god. Come on. I know you can do it. Alright, I'm gonna try getting up to that roof somehow. I think I'm gonna end it right here, guys, because the video's getting pretty long and I'm getting pretty tired. If you enjoyed the video, then, no, if you like the video, please like. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe. And hit the bell for notifications so you will never miss another one of my videos, because I know you have. So, little smile. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will make the second part of this soon. Bye.